Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 35 is a turtle. Turtle is a symbol of long life in Japan. A crane lives 1,000 years and turtle can live 10,000 years. Use a square-shaped paper and fold diagonal to make a big triangle and fold again that triangle into a quarter. Unfold and fold one end of triangle to the corner of vertical end of triangle. This is exactly the same as goldfish. This is what you have right now. And same side as well. Now it looks like this. Okay, then fold that small triangle on the left or right side into half. Like this. And do the same for the other side, either left or right. Fold small triangle where the overlapped area is triangle. This will be a front leg of turtle. This will be the same. Do the same. Now it will look like this. Now we are going to work on the back side of turtle. Use scissors to cut only top side of triangle. Start to cut. Cut until the midpoint. And fold small triangles. Fold the side between front and back legs. Do the same for the opposite. Okay, fold a small triangle between front legs, which will be the head of turtle. But turtle's neck and head is expanding, so fold once again the head area, but remain some space. Okay, that's it. This is turtle. Big turtle and small turtle. Enjoy! Okay, check the supplement for turtle. Supplement video. Lecture 35 is a turtle. This is supplement video. Turtle and cranes are considered long. So at the beginning is almost the same as goldfish. For the origami. Big triangle to quarter. Turtle is considered actually 10,000 years of life, and crane is considered as 1,000 years. Corner of triangle to the vertical corner of triangle. This is, similar to cicada. Do the same for the other side. Or the goldfish. The same way. Triangle part. Okay, now top side of triangle on the left into like half size and half side. Both side. Do the same for the both side. And fold small triangle here. This is going to be a front leg. And this is going to be the leg as well. Front legs. And now work for the thin part. Only the top side of the to the center point. Triangle to the midpoint. And fold. Small triangle. So this is the back. These are the back legs. This is going to be the leg as well. The next is side. In the side, fold the triangle here towards to the center. Triangle. This side as well. Side and right side, both sides. Now work for the head. And this is the head. Fold here and fold smaller triangle here to express the turtle's the neck and head is digging to the okay, just turn over. Okay, this is the turtle. Okay, this is it. This is actually the turtle. You bend a little bit, then it will look like it will express the back side. Turtle is simple. Okay. Okay, that's it. The next is the ninja's shuriken.